Can't take it. We should get away from here. Never. I wanna